In this video, we'll be talking about the best side hustle that you can start. And this side hustle requires no skills, no money, and you also don't have to show your face. It's also beginner friendly. And the only thing that you need for this side hustle is your phone. And this side hustle is going live on TikTok. So you can make money on TikTok Live through TikTok gifts, which can be converted to money and can be withdrawn from your bank account. And lots of people send gifts to creators even without showing their face. And different gifts have different values, but they all add up. And here are some ideas that you can do on TikTok Live. You can type or write names of the people on your live stream. That way, if you type or write their name, they'll probably send you a gift. You can sleep on your live. Many people have done this and a lot of people send gifts. You can do ASMR sounds, and you can even draw. And if you need more ideas, you can look at your TikTok live stream and look at other people's lives. And all you need is to have a TikTok account with at least 1,000 followers, because that's a requirement to go TikTok live. And if you don't have 1,000 followers, then you should keep posting content until you reach that goal. And the nice thing about TikTok is that it's easy to get to 1,000 followers, because you only need one viral video to reach that goal. And here are some bonus tips that you should take away from this video. You should go live as frequently as you can and when most of your audience is active, so you can have many people on your live. This will increase your chances of someone sending you a gift. And do not sign up for the TikTok Creator Fund if you're eligible for it, because it may lower your views, which means less money for you. You should also stay consistent and patient, because it'll all be worth it. And if you want to learn how to start your e-commerce store today with only $100, make sure to watch the video in the description box below.